Christmas Day.
Oh, pareho kayo.
Ako naman Christmas Day night shift.
Ano yung regular pay?
Holiday pa yata yun.
Kayo?
So yung kay Clarence bukas na lahat.
Oo. Nung dinala mo, pag-gising mo,
Binuksan ka agad.
sabi niya, Ma,
Hindi ko wala nag-antay ng Christmas Eve. Sina Jeremy nag-antay ng Christmas Eve eh.
dali natin yung ibang kay Raymond. Suman. I'm opening my gift.
That's so cool!
Yeah! Abay, may bisita ba sila?
Hindi nagugupit ng
Tina.
Stop!
Nako, nasasawa na ako si Tahinyan, ano?
Parang si Joshua.
Tina?
Si Joshua. Sabi niya, I can scoop something with this. Ganyang
Ew!
Yeah.
Marami, kung may bisita sila. Video!
It is.
It is! Oh!
You have to watch
Oh!
Tayo lang, hindi naman din sila.
Thank you! Thank
You have to
Kuya
watch this
Josh.
movie.
I will.
You have to watch this movie.
What is that?
The interview.
Oh my
Nga yung
God.
ano eh.
Ano? Not dying scene eh.
Kailan?
Ay, hindi.
Ano
Ano
ang
pa?
movie ngayon? Eh, gusto ko nga yung Taken eh. Ay,
Labas na
thank
ba
you,
yun?
Ate Rose.
You welcome.
Ate Rose.
Next year, alright? I'll get you guys presents.
It's okay.
Don't make it promises.
This year I
No
couldn't.
need. You don't
I
have
only had enough.
I am cute, Rose. Thank you.
You're welcome. You can wear that. Well, I think it's gonna be warm outside, so I don't know if you.
I like the color.
Yeah, you can just wear a
Oo,
sweatshirt.
tapos nakaano lang siya.
No,
Actually, kahit manipis lang na panloob.
Pala sa loob eh, oh.
Manipis na
This is
panloob.
It's a nice.
Very nice. Nux. Kasakasya ba sasarap ha?
Kasya yan.
Psych.
Naku, sana may Budapest si Paolo.